Hi student, in last lecture we had studied definition of ether, classification of ether and structure of ether. In today's lecture we have to study nomenclature of ether. In nomenclature of ether there are two types of nomenclature. First one is common name and second one is IUPAC name. Common name of ether. If the ether is symmetrical ether, that means R O R. These two are the same. It is called as alkyl ether. It is also called as dialkyl ether. Why? Because of these two are the same. In unsymmetrical ether, that is ROR, in that both the R are the different and the name of ether is alkyl ether. In that we cannot say dialkyl ether because of these two are the different example. First example we have written here, CH3 bond O bond CH3. What is the name of ether then? We call as this two methyl group is attached to ether. We call as dimethyl ether. Another example, C2H5 bond O C2H5. We call as diethyl ether. And so on in a symmetrical ether. In unsymmetrical ether we see the example, that is CH3O C2H5. What is the name of ether then? The name is this methyl group. This ethyl group is attached to oxygen and we have to follow alphabetical order in that. Because of alphabetical order we have to written ethyl first and then methyl and followed by ether. Similar we have to see second example, that is C2H5O C3H7. What is the name of ether then? This ethyl group and propyl group attached to oxygen. The name is ethyl propyl ether. I hope you all are understand. Now we have to see different common name of different compound. First, this compound. That in that compound, isopropyl group, ethyl group is attached to oxygen, and the name of that compound is ethyl isopropyl ether. In second example, this isopropyl group is attached to oxygen atom. The name is diisopropyl ether. Third example, this neobutyl group is attached to oxygen with methyl group. The name is neobutyl group is also called as a tertiary butyl group. That is tert butyl methyl ether or neobutyl methyl ether. In last example, this neobutyl group or tertiary butyl group is attached to oxygen with same group and the name is tertiary butyl ether. Now we have to see IUPAC name of ether. In IUPAC name we know the basic 4 rules of the IUPAC. The name is number one rule is select the longest chain. Number 2, lowest numbering. Third, identify the branch. And fourth, name of the compound in a single word. IUPAC name, that is ether is named as Ether is obtained from hydrocarbon, that is R bond H. H is removed and we add here OR group. That means alkoxy group is attached to alkane. The name is alkoxy alkane. Example, suppose CH3OCH3 is there. What is an IUPAC name of that ether? This methane group, and this is a methoxy group. The name then methoxy methane. In second example, C2H5O C2H5. The IUPAC name of that compound is, this is a ethane group and this compound is ethoxy group. The name is ethoxy ethane. Another example, suppose we are taken here CH3O C2H5. Now here one confusion is there. Which group is alkane group and which group is alkoxy group? So one point you have to keep in your mind, lowest carbon atom is your alkoxy group and highest carbon atom is your alkane group. That means CH3O is your alkoxy group and C2H5 is your ethane group. The name of compound is methoxy ethane. Similar type of example we have to see again. C3H7 bond O C4H9. Which one is alkoxy group and which one is alkane group? In that compound, this lowest carbon atom has alkoxy group and this carbon is your alkane group. The name is propoxy butane. Now we have to see different example. First, C2H5O C3H7. We have to IUPAC name of that compound. Lower group is alkoxy group and this higher group is alkane group. The name is ethoxy propane. In second example, this group is ethoxy group and this group is propane group. But in propane group, we have to apply IUPAC ruling here. In first rule, we have to select the longation. This is your longation. Second rule, lowest numbering. That means this ethoxy group should be at lowest number. That means we have to apply number 1, number 2 and number 3 numbering here. In third rule, identify the branch. Here is no branch present. That's why we neglect the rule. Fourth rule, write down the compound in a single word. Then we have to return first one, that is a ethoxy group. Ethoxy group is attached to number 2 carbon atom. That's why we have to return here 2 ethoxy. That means ethoxy group is attached to number 2 carbon atom. And remaining we have to write here parent alkane. Which one is the parent alkane? The parent alkane is propane. This is your IUPAC name. In next example, we have to see this ethoxy group is attached to butyl group. In butyl group, we apply IUPAC rule one by one. First rule, select the longation. This is your longation. Number 2, lowest numbering. We number from bottom side, and this is your numbering. Third rule, identify the branch. This methyl group is a branch attached to butyl group. In a butyl group, then the branch is attached to second number of carbon atom. Ethoxy group is attached to second number of carbon atom. Then name of that compound is 2-methyl 2-ethoxy propane. Why we written here propane? This is a butyl group, but we have written here propane because longest chain is of 3 carbon atom. That's why we written here 3 carbon atom alkane group. In next example, we have to see that methoxy group is attached to that group. That is again a butyl group. In that we have to apply IUPAC rule again. First rule, select the longation. This is your longation. Then lowest numbering, we apply the rule lowest numbering from the O side, oxygen side. That is number 1 carbon atom, number 2 and number 3 carbon atom. This is your longation. Third rule, identify the branch. This CH3 methyl group is the attached to second number of carbon atom. And last rule, write down the name of compound in a single word. That means this all the naming we have to written in a single word. In that branch we have to written first, that is a 2-methyl, and methoxy group is attached to number 1 carbon atom. We written here 1-methoxy, and last parent alkane. Parent alkane means longation carbon atom alkane. 1, 2, 3, 3 longation carbon atom is there. That's why we written here propane.